Hello, hi. Hi guys, this is Rahul here, and let me basically firstly welcome you all for joining the team. Most of you, I believe, have already joined the page. So I will just briefly run you through what is required so that we're all on the same page. Now, this is the Asana page. I hope most of you have already joined. I see 28 members, so I think most of us are already on it. Just a little brief. Basically, what will happen is you'll have some welcome task here, generic task here, and then ongoing planning, future, etc. Now, firstly, do not tick on these as completed because this is for everybody. So until unless everybody completes the task, we can't put a tick here. But yes, what you can do is you can look at the task things here, and once you have done that, you can post a comment that here that the task has been done, something we've done. Okay, so that's one. So you start finishing these tasks, and say if there is a particular task, and I can write a comment that who wants to take this up. If somebody shows interest or something, then we can assign it to somebody specific. Now when you see generic task, now some task is for everybody. So Facebook promotion is for everybody. So for example, increase likes, share pages, review comments and stuff like that. So this is for everybody. That's why I have added everybody as a follower. Now please understand, if there is a task, okay, what you can do is you can add yourself as a follower if you're interested in that task. Okay, you can add yourself here, okay, and become a follower of this. And what happens is, if there is a specific task, okay, if you like something, you tell me that I want to do it, and then we can assign it to a person. So when I say MC, like Mansi Chawla is specifically assigned to create the LinkedIn page. All right, and then once you've done that, what you can do is, if you have any doubts, you can write here itself under the comment section. Now if you want to write something specific to somebody, you can clearly write the person's name as an @ and write whatever message you want to type. Okay, so that's another way of contacting a person directly. I would encourage everybody to write status here under the comments. Okay, so like for Instagram, I write somebody is interested, Gaurav says something, so if I want to reply to him, I can write it like this. Okay, so that's one. So that's how this is there. And then what you can do is you can see my task. Okay, so under my task you will see whatever tasks are there, and under inbox you will see what do you call it's like a notification on Facebook. So if you see something, click here, you will get it on your right hand side. Just wait for a minute, and this one is little, so yeah, so you get stuff here. Okay, so like Preetham has written something today, so I can I will connect with him, or I'll write the feedback here. Okay, that's Asana. You can change your photo image from here, click here and do stuff. Okay, so this is the basics about Asana. Now coming back to the page, this is the page. So you can share Facebook /Yodhas. Okay, this link. The idea is to increase the likes here. Okay, whatever the post does, I would encourage couple of things. Now firstly, the reviews. So open the review section, give a review of say about 5, and whatever you want to write. So write something nice here. Then if you have some image, it's better if you comment, say something nice. How are you going to spread happiness, or I would be clicking pictures or something like that. And then what you can do is hit on like and obviously share it. Okay, so once you share it, it goes to your wall as well, and obviously that makes more impact. Like for example, Manoj has shared this on his page, so you must share it and you must try and add maximum friends. So how can you do that? I think somewhere on the left hand side you'll get the option of inviting friends, so you can do that. I'm not getting because I'm the admin here, so this is another thing. Now website, yes, you don't have to do anything much on the website yet, but then there are a lot of things. So you can, like for example, social fun quizzes. So you can play this quiz, share it among your friends, just to make it more interesting. Like we have a comment from one of the members, right? So something like that. Okay, what else? So do add me on Facebook. Okay, so do send me a friend request, do share it, do promote the page. What else? Yeah, now for example, Indian American Cancer Network, this is one of the pages, and what has happened here is a lady called Inderpreet Kaur has posted my video, which is under the YouTube channel, and she's posted it here. And obviously, somebody from US, she is in US, Gayatri, she's liked it. So stuff like that. So you have to become members of various groups and keep on posting our stuff, relevant groups or irrelevant, celebrities, cancer support groups, even popular pages. Just go there, promote it. Okay, so these are the few tasks. Start with this and we'll continue with the other inputs. All right, okay, bye bye.